This is the Heartsine 350. So the 350 model is a semi-automatic defibrillator. There is also a 500, which has got lots of feedback, and there's also a 360 in the range, which is fully automatic. We'll cover those in different videos. But with the 350s, it's a good unit. It's ideal for most applications, and it's a very low cost unit as well. So it comes in this hard case, and on the case, we've got the main case on the front here, and also there's a zip up section on the back, so you can put spare pads, you can put your AD prep kit and things like that in the back of it. On the front, you have the speaker. The unit gives full voice prompts, so it'll tell you exactly what to do, calling for help, applying the pads, tell you when everything's on, tell you any errors or problems with the unit, all to talk to you, and also give you the metronome, so you make sure you keep the compressions at the right rate. Up here is just a little indication, just really showing up to age of 8, 1 to 8, you'd use child pads, and over that you'd use the adult pads. Down here, just icons which show when to keep off the patient when you don't want to touch them because it's analysing or shocking. And here it's safe to touch the patient, therefore you can carry on doing a CPR. And the icons at the top just show pad placement. Down here, you've got the on-off button, and the middle one here is the shock button. So it will not shock. The 350 is semi-automatic, so you would have to push the button to deliver the shock. It will not do that automatically for you. So the unit itself, very, very simple to use. We'll show more of a breakdown on this and other videos on how to use it. When you open up the unit, just literally just unzip the case. Inside, you can see the front is exactly as we've already discussed. On the top, there's a data exit port. So you literally can just connect that up with a USB cable straight into your computer to take the data off. Also, you can use data cables in there. Supposing we had to change it, if they did change it in the rules and regulations, then that's how you would update the AED unit itself. On the back are all the serial numbers you'd like to need, model numbers, and this here is the main cartridge pad. And with the Heartsines, they're all the same. The battery pack and the pads are the same. So when you change the pads, you automatically change the battery as well. It just means that every time you change, you've got something ready to use. So if you have used some other, where they have them separate, people might change the pads, but they don't change the battery. With this, you change all of it, which just makes it a lot simpler and a lot easier checks. You've got one thing to check rather than two. On the pads also you'll see the expiration date, so keep an eye on that. And then basic maintenance with this unit, it's just really to check everything's okay, there's nothing damaged. And also you're just going to check to make sure this little light up here is flashing. That just is indicating the unit is good to go and there's no problem with it, it's ready to use. So that's the Heartsine 350.